Now let's see this question. The mean value C for the functions f of x equal to sin x and g of x equal to cos x in closed interval minus pi by 2 comma 0 is. So they are talking about a closed interval minus pi comma 0, but then two functions are given. So whenever two functions are given, we should use the Cauchy theorem, right? So Cauchy mean value theorem says that first of all, the function has to be continuous and differentiable in that range. So definitely, since it is sin x and cos x, we know that they are continuous as well as they are differentiable over the entire range, and in minus pi by 2 comma 0 they will definitely be continuous and differentiable. And now since two functions are given, according to the Cauchy mean value theorem, there should exist a point C in such a way that f dash of C divided by g dash of C equal to f of b minus f of a divided by g of b minus g of a. Right? Now what is f of 0? F of 0, see, I am talking about this is a. If you assume that this is a and this is b, according to the way we discussed the theorem, this is a and this is b, right? Then there exists a point C in such a way that f of b minus f of C divided by g of b minus g of a is equal to f dash of C divided by g dash of C. Now I am just substituting all the values there. Now what is f dash of C? If f of x equal to sin x, f dash is nothing but cos x. Now f dash of C is nothing but cos C. Similarly, if g of x equal to cos x, then g dash of x is going to be minus sin x and g dash of C is going to be minus sin C. Got it? Okay, that equal to f of b minus f of a divided by g of b minus g of a, and all these values we computed here anyway. So we are going to get that tan C equal to minus 1. So which means in the range minus pi by 2 to 0, what is the value for which we are going to, what is the value of C for which we are going to get tan C equal to minus 1? There is only one value, which is minus pi by 4. Therefore, the mean value here in this case is going to be minus pi by 4. Got it? Okay.